the Speaker Tribunal shall dispose the disqualification petition haidani aduna ko yam thuna athuba matamda dispose torokani aduga hairiba MLA mari asi disqualify torokani haibu pulase nasi petitioner Shri Harishwar Goswami na MLA mari NPP ki matakta amamam disqualification petition ayakna mahaki council oiraga assisted by my two other colleagues avoid disqualification petition ngasimak file to fandre hairiba NPP ki MLA mari singdudi ahanbada Kakching Kendra ki Mayang Lambam Rameshwar Singh matungda Moirang Kendra ki Thongam Shanti Singh matangda Uinam Kendra ki Irengbam Nalini Devi matungda Tamilong Kendra ki Zangemung Panmay Apoy Mari Siki Matakta Apoy na disqualification petition se Dhazaki Bani Apoy na Dhazaki Bada Hajarishi Honorable Supreme Court ki Shri K. Megachandra ki case ta judgment like Madhuri within 3 months of the filing of the from the date of the filing of the disqualification petition the Speaker Tribunal shall dispose the disqualification petition haidani aduna ko yam thuna athuba matamda dispose torokani aduga hairiba MLA mari asi disqualify torokani haibu pulase to thajaba lai aduga hajik kari tage haibu do koi mayam yengminaba tabe to the Speaker's Tribunal Speaker maramdi akhona thajariba case Honorable Speaker's Tribunal maram se main oibasi akoina hajariba hajiki hairiba MLA mari asina akhoi National Party President na hajiki lairiba BJP sarkar asidagi officially withdrawn tawgraba pawada in writing makoina sanghaluraga support option ba makoina sanghalaga meeting yaw natana with their own signature yawraga join tawsaluba asu mayamduri resolution development ngasi akoina 10 schedule ki makhada संविधान कंदे यादे है देना कोई कृष्णा श्री हरीश्वर गोस्वामी ने कहा